How you doing? My name is Lady Wonderton and welcome to a game called You Slime! I don't know, I found this on primarygames.com and so let's see what we gotta do. You are a slime slug, and there are some strange people out to get you. A dopey guy, some lady who waves her hands a lot, and a middle person with a strange orange tan. How to play. Collect mushrooms. Use your 3 tentacled 3 eyes to find these strange people in your jungle. Slime them! Seems easy enough. Let's do this. You need 20 points to move to the next level. Okay. Oh! I got mushrooms! Get slimed! Going this way. This is fun. This is like patrolling my jungle. What the heck's the chef dude? For such a simple game, this is quite amusing. I missed a dude. Go away, robot lady. Damn it, I missed him. Yeah. Okay. I have to collect mushrooms for slime. Oh no, there's not very many mushrooms! Help! Yeah! Slimer. Use my tail? Oh, I do. I fling slime at people with my tail. Slime! Get some grape slime. Hey, I want slime. Ugh. I want slime. Blah. Slime of all my spaghetti. Grape slime. Boop, boop, boop. I got green slime. I would like some slime. I want some slime. Boop, boop. It's like, what do they want me for? Uh-oh. There we go. I don't have any slime balls! Oh, no! Oh, my gosh. I am not doing well. I have 1 slime ball. I need mushrooms! Mushrooms! For days! Mushroom. I don't have many mushrooms! Okay. Level 10. This is kind of fun. Blurp. Blurp. Get wrecked. Blurp. Oh, hi. I'm a stranger in my... I have no slime balls. Oh, no! Die! Game over! What? Your score was 312 at level 7. Well, that was fun. I'm gonna go again. Go again! I'm a slimer. Boop. Get wrecked. Boop, boop, boop. Who are these people in my jungle? My purple jungle. Jungle bed! Boom! I have 10 slime balls. I guess the max number of slime you can have is 10, so. Get wrecked! Yeah! Sliming. Get wrecked, robot. Blurp. 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 Oh, I missed the dude. Get wrecked! Boom! Pew! In your face! The slime's probably my poo. Hello, chef man, science dude, I don't know what you are. Yeah! Start off by looking for mushrooms. Mushrooms are my power! Powered by shrooms. Chef dude! Yeah! Why'd you come back? Yeah! Hapoo! In your face! I need more shrooms! Dang it. Get wrecked! Yeah! Da-da-da-da-da. Doing good. Up to level 6 again. Look at my dorky face. Blurp, blurp, blurp. I like shrooms. Blurp, blurp, blurp. I fling my shroom poo at you. Poo! Extra slime balls! No! Oh, man. Well, that's a bummer. Well, this was fun. As simple of a game it is, it was really well done, I think. I don't know, it's a good thing to pass the time, I suppose. I like it. This dorky little, like, alien slug is shooting people with shroom poo in the woods. Friggin' epic time! Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. This was fun. It was fun. I probably wouldn't play it long term. I probably would get bored after a really long time, but, you know, it's a fun little game. It's a fun little game. Makes you wonder why these people are out here hunting for them. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, slime that button like a slug. And I will see all you guys in the next video. Bye! Slimy slug, slimy slug, slimy purple slug, boop. Gonna slime you with the shrimp poo.